Hey you guys, as you probably saw from the title of this video, we sold our house and are moving. And it's extra exciting because at the time that you're seeing this video, we move in just 2 weeks. I can't even believe it. So I put a little video of me decluttering and just kind of getting ready for the move. I'm taking some pictures for Facebook Marketplace because I'm trying to declutter some stuff so that we don't take anything that we don't want. And I'll also be sharing details about the move throughout this video, so stay tuned. The reason I didn't share this news sooner was because I wanted to make sure that everything just went to plan, which it did. So now I can finally share this with you. We're moving back to the area that I was raised. We're about an hour from all of my friends and family right now, and it really took a toll on my mental and emotional health over this past year, if I'm being completely honest. I know I haven't mentioned really much about that on my channel before, but that's a big contributor to this move. And if anyone thinks it might help them to know just how I tried to cope with kind of the mental health and missing all of my family, I can make an entire video on that, but that would be a video for another day because that is definitely a lot. But I think that the best outlet for me was this channel, and I am so grateful for all of you. I've made so many friends and everyone has been so supportive. Alright guys, try to ignore the messy bun. It's messy bun and getting stuff done today. But this is all of my breast milk because I was an over pumper at one time because I exclusively pumped, and this is all the leftover breast milk and it's all bad. So none of it's good, I'll actually show you. None of it's still good, it's all gone bad, and she's past the point where she needs it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it all away, but it's kind of emotional for me because I spent hours of my life pumping all of this milk. And like, I'm totally gonna there's gonna be more babies, there's gonna be more breast milk, and then I'll totally look back at this moment and be like, why was I even sad? But right now it's super emotional, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it all away and then clear out the rest of that.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you?
Oh my god, it's so heavy. I'm actually having trouble lifting it. As I clear out the rest of the freezer here, I'll share a little bit about where we're going. We're actually going to be renting because we want to be in the immediate area for a little while before we decide exactly where we want to buy. It's in an amazing school district and a beautiful area in general. The apartment itself is also beautiful, and the apartment community is so beautiful as well. There are 2 pools, a playground for Kennedy. She actually had a blast on it. We were there just the other day and she was having so much fun. We have a basketball court and an amazing clubhouse which we can rent out for parties, and that's just a few perks off the top of my head. So make sure you have all of your notifications turned on because I don't want you to miss the empty apartment tour that will be coming up on my channel very, very soon. And of course, I'll be continuing with all of my cleaning, decorating, organizing, and all things mommyhood and homemaking content over there. So I definitely want you to see it. So make sure that you're subscribed for all of that brand new stuff in a brand new location coming up.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
We're just feeling so blessed that we can share our life and our journey with everybody here. Everyone has been so kind and supportive, and you've all just been so amazing, and I really feel like I'm taking you guys along, and I feel like I'm not alone in this because of you guys, and I just want to say thank you for everything up to this point as well, because I feel like I've always had a bunch of friends who have my back and are just here to have fun and do all this homemaking stuff together, because sometimes I know it can get a little bit lonely and we can all just be silly and be ourselves, and I don't think that I've ever had a community or a group of friends just like that in my life. And I promised myself I wouldn't get too sappy in this video, but would it even be a moving video without getting a little bit sappy? Because I don't think it would be. But if you guys have any questions on moving or packing or decluttering or anything like that, I feel like since I've been doing a lot of that recently, I'm pretty clued up on it, so definitely feel free to ask any questions. As most of you guys know by now, I read every single comment and I reply to as many as I possibly can. There's still a few videos to come in this house. I have a collab next week and I'm going to be doing some packing and decluttering videos, so stay tuned for that. And of course, have all of your notifications turned on because that apartment tour is coming up super soon and I definitely do not want you guys to miss it. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love our apartment. It actually has another bathroom than we have now, and it feels like more like a house than an apartment, which is why I loved it upon walking in, and I hope that you guys will love that too. And I've been having a ton of fun shopping for the new place. We're getting a lot of new stuff. Our stuff is just really old and it was time for an update, so we were at IKEA, which is now one of my favorite stores, picking out plates and stuff, and I gotta tell you, the plates there are 79 cents a plate. So if you need new plates, hit up IKEA. They're dishwasher safe and microwave safe, and they're my new favorite thing. I really hope you enjoyed our video today. I know it was a lot different from what we normally do, and I know I've been hinting at it for a while, so a lot of you guessed it already. Again, I'm so grateful to finally be moving and sharing it with you, and I will see you later. Bye guys!